Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I've got a 12 by 12 canvas in front of me with white acrylic on there ready to go. And I'm going to give some marbles a spin. Now I've seen Fiona doing this and it just looked awesome. And also another new guy, I think his name was B.R. Turner, I believe is his channel. R.B. Turner? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm pretty sure it's B.R. Turner. He did a couple of different marbles paintings, and they turned out really neat. So I'm going to give it a whirl. I've got Artezas, some of them pre-mixed from a previous painting, so I'm just going to use those. And let's just give it a whirl. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, you know I love you. Thank you so much for all your comments, all your thumbs up. Means the world to me. Keep them coming, okay? All right, let's do this. I'm going to not talk, let Greg put some music on, and I'm just going to do my thing and see how much of a mess I make with marbles. Alrighty, we're going to be doing phthalo blue. I've got a turquoise blue, a little bit of a light green, and actually I have one color that is the Little Piggies pigments, and that is the Funk. It's the purple color. Okay, those are the colors I'm using. Let's do this. Hit the music, hon. Thank you very much.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Fill with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Filled with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me. Little sweet spice. Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Little sweet spice. Yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
Why didn't I know from the very start? Oh, you left me here just to fall apart. If I wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had a chance? If I wrote you a letter, wrote you a letter, would I have a chance? Would you read my letter if I had it sent? If I wrote you a letter now, would I have a chance? If I wrote you a letter now, would it even be read? If I wrote you a letter now, if I wrote you a letter, a letter, no, a letter, oh.